It's the fall of 2022, and we're flying high above the Pointe at Twin Hickory. Located in the Short Pump area of Glen Allen, Virginia, this is part of the award-winning planned community Twin Hickory. We're under construction, but making significant progress. This community brings low-maintenance condominiums to the area, built exclusively by HHHunt homes. The condo lifestyle allows the homeowner to lock and go, and is truly designed for how people want to live. But don't take our word for it. Here are Bob and Joyce, HHHunt Homes condo owners.
We chose HHHunt because the way we live as a retired couple, we were looking for certain things that were important to us. And it was very important because it's the way we live every day, and we chose HHHunt because it met all of those needs.
Want to learn more about these new homes? Visit us at thepointetwinhickory.com. The Pointe at Twin Hickory is an HHHunt community. For a complete list of our communities, please visit hhhuntcommunities.com. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters.